If the washer in your washer-dryer combo is overflowing, here are the 3 most probable causes. The home's water pressure might be too low. The washer's water inlet valve requires a minimum of 20 pounds per square inch of pressure to fully shut off the water filling the tub. Given enough time, the water could begin to overflow. You should confirm you have sufficient water pressure elsewhere in the home to rule out this cause. If the water inlet valve is defective, it may be unable to shut off the water entering the tub. Try unplugging the appliance's power cord during the fill cycle. If the washer continues to fill with water without receiving power, the inlet valve is likely defective and will need to be replaced. The washer's pressure switch is designed to shut off the power to the inlet valve when the proper water level is reached. A faulty switch may allow more water than is needed to fill the tub. Before you replace the pressure switch, confirm that the air pressure tube attached to the switch is clear of debris and is not leaking. Both water inlet valves and pressure switches are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.